G'day, we're just going to show you how to use 150mm super stick window flashing tape on a traditional 90mm framed wall. What we've got 150mm wide super stick, and we also have some 75mm wide super stick as well. 75mm, it's often used as a head flashing tape. Also we're going to form our butterflies. So what we want to do with this window opening, we want to put some butterflies to the bottom corners only first. So split liner on the back of the super stick, just a bit of tension, pull it apart. I'm going to remove all that backing paper because I'm only dealing with a small bit of window flashing tape here. Alright, run that across on a 45, just slightly higher than the junction of the sill and the jamb. Firm pressure and just pinch that back into the window opening. We'll repeat this on the other side. Split liner, just a bit of tension there, remove all of that backing paper. And I'm just going to run that across on a 45 once again as well. Staying a little bit higher than my sill and my jamb. Pinching that back into the window opening. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab my 150mm wide tape. Okay, so this tape has a solid line and a dotted line. Each one of those increments represents 150mm. 90mm frame, I need to be 150mm up from my sill. So that solid line there to the dotted line is the mark, okay? I've got another point of reference. This tape is only 150mm wide as well, so just simply placed on edge, mark that. That will also give me an indication of how high I need to come on my jamb. Split liner once again, I've rolled this up. Just a bit of tension there, pull it apart, makes it nice and easy to remove that backing paper. Only removing a small portion, kept it rolled up. I'll line up there with the inside of my frame line. Pinch that back down there, get that backing paper formed down nice and tight. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to grab a pencil and I'm just going to come down nice and tight into that junction of my sill and jamb so I don't get any scalloping at that point. That means when I go to install my window or my subby following behind me, makes it nice and easy for him to install as well. Remove that split liner on the back, unroll again, just lining up flush with the inside of the frame line. Remove that backing paper and I'll just pinch that down on that edge and just form back. Okay, nice and easy. Getting my pencil again, I'm just going to remove the rest of this backing paper, form into my corner. Get that pencil, you can use a square as well, something with a sharp edge on it, or your rule, nice and tight there. I've got this backing paper left on here. What I'm going to do, just pinch that off. Just going to touch that so I've got a point of contact up that jamb. Remove the rest of that tape, maybe halfway or so. Fold that down onto that front elevation. Repeat that around our corner. Okay. What I'm going to do next with my knife, I'm going to cut into this corner. I don't need to cut all the way in. I can cut fairly close. Okay, and then I'll just fold that out onto the front elevation. The butterfly that we formed earlier has given us nice cover and protection to that corner. I'll come across to the other side with my knife once again, cut out there and fold round onto that front elevation. Super stick is a pressure sensitive adhesive, so when we've applied it to the substrate, just a bit of firm pressure to ensure that we bond well. Okay, next thing we're going to do, because this tape is so thin, which is what the builders love, and it sticks well, we're not creating any build up, but we do need to put a second layer on our sill for nail sealability. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our 75mm tape. I'm going to run it between my jambs, so sill only. So here's a piece I've prepared earlier, cut to length, remove that backing paper, and I'm just going to stuff that into that junction there, touch that down. I'm going to keep it in the middle. Just grab both pieces of my release tape, run that across. Keeping that in the middle once again, as I said. I've got a couple of creases there, that's nothing to be concerned about. I'll remove all of that backing paper. Straighten that up a little bit and then just run out to that junction. Once again, a bit of firm pressure, and that's what our sill looks like.